In front of me is DORO 8100, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access sound. Then scroll down again to tap on Vibrate Focus and apply one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. When you're ready, go back. Now you need to scroll down again and tap on those switchers next to charging sounds and vibration. And that vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!